Hi guys, welcome back to Robby D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we're going to be making mango cake. So let's jump into the video. Here's an overview of everything you'll need for this recipe. As always, all of the measurements and everything used will be down in the description box below, so check that out. So I'm gonna start off by peeling the skin off of my overripe mangoes to make a puree. You can just buy mango puree if you want to skip this step. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna just cut the flesh off the mangoes and discard the seeds. I did use a lot more mangoes than needed, but I will be using most of the puree for something else, so one mango probably would suffice. Now I'm just gonna add some water and the mangoes to my blender and just blend that up, and you're all done with the puree. Now with my softened butter in my mixing bowl, I'm gonna add some oil and then the sugar. Now I'm gonna cream those together with my hand mixer. Once everything is mixed in pretty good, I will be adding my eggs one at a time. Once that is mixed up, I will add a cup of my mango puree as well as my vanilla, and then I will just give that a good mix. Then next I'll add some milk. Once the wet ingredients are all combined, you'll then add your dry ingredients and mix that together. Now you want to spray your baking dish and pour in your cake mixture. So I did pour it in piece at a time, and I added some of that mango puree in the center as well as on top, just to give the cake a little bit of a design. This was a last minute decision of mine since I had a lot of extra puree. So next time I'll probably add some of the puree at the bottom of the cake, so it will be on the top of the cake when it's done. Now for the mango glaze, I just added powdered sugar, then some of that mango puree, and then I added a dash of milk, and I just mixed that together until it was well combined. After the cake is done, it should look something like this, and you just want to let it cool before you go ahead and drizzle on that glaze. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!